FBR announces major reshuffle of senior officers. Hi, I'm Aman Khalid and welcome to Pakistan Connect News Bulletin at 3 p.m. US military says it completed latest strikes on Iran, marking 7th consecutive night of attacks. The US military said it completed its latest wave of strikes on Iran that were carried out at President Donald Trump's direction and marked the 7th consecutive night of American attacks. US forces employed fighter aircraft, aerial drones, and warships in addition to other assets, the US Central Command said in a statement. Smoke, fire, floods, US faces triple extreme summer weather threats. Wildfire smoke blanketed the eastern US from the Great Lakes to Washington, D.C. on Friday. Floodwaters tore through Texas Hill Country for a third day, and a new fire erupted in the Pacific Northwest overnight, with 68 large blazes now burning in 15 states. Petroleum Levy maintained as government raises fuel prices. The Petroleum Division has issued a notification maintaining the existing petroleum levy on petrol, diesel and kerosene despite the latest increase in fuel prices. According to the notification, the petroleum levy remains unchanged at Rs 80 per litre on petrol, Rs 70.82 per litre on high-speed diesel and Rs 20.36 per litre on kerosene. PM Shehbaz vows maximum security of Chinese nationals, welcomes 440 million investment deals. Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has reaffirmed Pakistan's commitment to ensuring the security of Chinese nationals, describing their safety as the country's highest priority while announcing the new Chinese investment agreements with nearly 440 million. FBR announces major reshuffle of senior officers. The Federal Board of Revenue (FBR) has carried out a major administrative reshuffle, assigning new responsibilities to several senior officers. As part of the effort to strengthen the institution administrative structure, a formal notification has begun issued in this regard. Stay connected to Pakistan Connect for more updates.